Namaste to everyone, a very good evening. Respected members of the election committee, esteemed colleagues and my very parivar. I stand before you today not merely as a candidate for President of the Supreme Court Bar Association. I stand before you as one of you. I have walked these corridors, stood in the courtrooms and sat in these bar rooms. I have known the anxieties of a young lawyer, the responsibilities of a senior, the pressures of practice, and above all, the dignity of being a member of the Supreme Court of India. I have practiced since 1992, became an advocate on record in 2005, and was designated by the full bench of this High Supreme Court in 2015. And this bar has been kind enough to place its trust in me again and again. I was elected senior member in 2015 and 16 and 17 and 18 with the highest number of votes, and in 2020-21 I received the second highest number of votes. 3 terms, 3 opportunities, 3 occasions on which this bar told me, we trust you. I did not treat this title of trust as a title, I treated it as a responsibility. Representation is not merely lip service. Representation is responsibility. I have tried to demonstrate that through action. And now I want to bring the same philosophy to the SCBA. I want a bar where welfare is not a favor but a system, where young and first generation lawyers receive mentorship, professional guidance, meaningful opportunities, financial support and stipend, where advocates with long years of practice are not forgotten when it comes to chambers, cubicles and facilities, where women lawyers have maternity and neonatal support and insurance, where medical and emergency assistance reaches a member when it is actually needed, where our library, research facilities and working spaces keep pace with modern practice, where every member of the bar can walk into the SCBA office and will be heard. I will also endeavor to have the museum shifted from the first floor so that the space can be used for library and consultation room for the benefits of the advocates. I will also do my best to provide a designated, enclosed and a properly vented smoking room area, easing the concerns of both smokers and non-smokers. My brother Anupam did not promise you that, but that is my commitment to you. These are not, you not promised them, so I am doing it. It's my commitment. I have already placed on record. I promise you one thing, I do not pay merely lip service. I have never worked that way and I do not intend to start now. I may not promise that every problem can solve overnight, but I can promise that every genuine problem will have someone like me willing to take it forward. काम मुश्किल हो सकती है, नियत मुश्किल नहीं होगी. My friends, the Supreme Court is not merely a building, it is an association, and the President is not merely an office bearer.
1 minute left.
Sir, I believe that the President of the Supreme Court should occupy a chair. President must be accessible because bolna zaruri hai. So today I am not asking you for charity just because I am a woman. I am here. Leadership knows no gender. No, leadership only knows commitment, merit and service. बेटी पढ़ाना ही नहीं है, बेटी को बढ़ाना ही नहीं है, पढ़ाना नहीं, बचाना नहीं है,
आगे बढ़ाना है,
बढ़ाना भी है. तो मेरा बेटी बचाओ, बेटी पढ़ाओ नहीं